In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your GetResponse API key. This key is essential for integrating GetResponse with various applications and services, allowing you to automate processes, manage lists, and connect your marketing efforts seamlessly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started with the process. First, you'll need to log in to your GetResponse account. So if you don't already have it open, go ahead and navigate to the GetResponse website and enter your login credentials. After you log in, you should be on the GetResponse dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're in your dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see your account name or possibly your profile picture. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll be looking for the option that says Integrations and API. Go ahead and click on that link. The Integrations page is where you will manage all your integrations, and it also contains the information for your API key. When the page loads, scroll down a bit until you find the section titled API. You may notice a brief explanation of what the API is and how it works. Don't worry if you're not familiar with technical jargon. What's most important for us right now is finding that key. And here's the fun part. If you haven't already created an API key, you're going to generate one right now. You should see a button that says Create API Key. Click on that, and a small dialog box will pop up asking you to name your API key. Choose a name that will remind you of its purpose. For example, if you're using it for a specific application, you could name it after that app. After you've given it a name, click the Generate button. This action will create your new API key. Now you'll see the API key displayed on the screen. It typically appears as a long string of numbers and letters. Make sure to copy this key. You can do this by highlighting the text and using your right mouse button to select Copy, or by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard if you're on a PC, or Command and C if you're on a Mac. It's crucial to store this API key securely. I recommend pasting it into a password manager or a secure document, as you will need it for any integrations you want to set up later. Keep in mind that this API key is sensitive information. You wouldn't want just anyone to have access to it, as they could potentially manipulate your data. Now, if you ever need to find your API key again, you can follow the same steps to navigate back to the Integrations and API section. Your key will be listed there, and if you ever need to regenerate or delete it, you can manage it from that same page as well. Before we wrap up today, I'd like to encourage you to explore some of the integrations available with GetResponse. There are many tools and platforms out there that work wonderfully with their API, from e-commerce solutions to customer relationship management tools. And that's it. You have successfully obtained your GetResponse API key. Now you're ready to connect GetResponse with other applications and start automating your marketing workflows. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'd be happy to help out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful